You can evaluate if it's worthwhile to upgrade to Apple's new phone by comparing the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro. It may also help you understand what features of Apple's most recent Pro model actually stand out. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at the same $999 price as its predecessor while providing a number of notable improvements, including as a stronger and lighter titanium construction, USB-C charging, and a new action button. Despite the lack of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 5x telephoto zoom, Apple also made improvements to the camera system. The iPhone 14 Pro is still a fantastic phone since it still has a strong 48 megapixels camera, an always-on screen, and the useful dynamic island. Pre-orders for the iPhone 15 Pro are accepted starting on September 15th. The device will ship on September 22nd. Similar to the iPhone 14 Pro, Apple's new iPhone 15 Pro starts at $999, £999, or 1,849 Australian dollars. A device with 128 GB of storage is available at the lowest price. Both models include storage upgrade options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. The iPhone 15 Pro has a significantly different appearance from the iPhone 14 Pro, and it starts with a stronger but lighter titanium construction. From 7.3 ounces for the iPhone 14 Pro, the iPhone 15 Pro weighs only 6.6 ounces. The new iPhone's inclusion of the action button is the other significant distinction between it and the iPhone 14 Pro. By swapping out the mute switch, you may use it to activate the camera, flashlight, magnification function, voice recorder, and more. You can even use it to hush calls with a long push. Through the Shortcuts app, you can also modify the action button. Although there isn't much of change, the iPhone 15 Pro features smaller bezels surrounding the display, which helps videos and other content stand out more. However, other than that, the screens on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro are fairly comparable. Both of them have 6.1-inch OLED displays with 1,600 nits of brightness, which can increase to 2,000 nits in direct sunlight. They also have always-on modes and 120 Hz refresh rates. Additionally, the iPhone 15 Pro is the first device to support USB-C charging, which offers 10 gigabits per second transfer rates. Lightning is still used by the iPhone 14 Pro. The A16 Bionic processor in the iPhone 14 Pro is already a potent chip, but the new A17 Pro chip takes things to the next level. This first-ever 3nm processor has an up to 20% faster 6-core GPU, a 10% faster CPU, and an up to 2x faster neural engine. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.